Respect to the addendum, language addendum video that I shared earlier, I just wanted to also emphasize to stop using the old report template, which is the 2020-09 for grade 1 to 6 and 7 to 8 immediately. If you ended up using one of those report, then for the 2020, 2023 and 2024 year, you will have to continue to use that report card because when you select it, you have report 1 and report 2 both in the same report template. So if you end up using the old version of the report card for report 1 and you expect the report 1 data to appear on the report 2 for the latest report card 2023-09, it will not happen. So important to stop using this report template completely. Even if you have done a little bit of work, it is advisable to and highly recommended to just redo that little bit of work again on the new report template to avoid that confusion. Because with the new report, when you go select, you will have the report 1 and report 2 same way. And once you do report 1 on the new template, which is the 2023-09, this is the correct one. And once you populate the report 1, and when the time comes for the report 2 information will be loaded automatically on the report 2. So just wanted to share this information so that it doesn't cause any confusion down the road. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.